Today, I'm going to show you how to create bottled light to bring light in the darkness and ideas where there are none. The things we will need will be one glass bottle, and I'm actually using a brown glass bottle. This is a recycled bottle from a single-serve beverage. So always make sure you look in your everyday life to see if there's things that we would maybe be throwing away or recycling that we could use for these. So spice bottles are great, old liquor bottles, all that kind of stuff. So this is a recycled bottle, but I will put a link in the description down below to a very similar bottle on Amazon. We will also need one bottle light cork, and these are the kind that have the LED lights on them, and I'll put a link in the description down below for that as well. We will need some jute twine, a lighter, some optional charms. So I'm actually using some of these light bulb charms, and I found these in the jewelry section of Michael's. But feel free to use old light bulbs that have burnt out, and you could very easily add some wire around them so that they would hang just like this. An optional brown marker, an optional glue gun with gold glue stick, and our label printed on sticker paper, and the link for this is in the description down below. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is this bottle light cork. I feel like the top is a little lackluster. It's plastic, it doesn't look like a cork, or some of them look like a cork, and it does have the on-off switch. So I'm actually going to take my brown marker, and I'm just going to put a little bit of a faux finish on it so that it appears to be more like a real cork. And as you can see, I have covered the entire cork with the splotches to kind of give it a little bit more of a faux finish. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is do a little bit of embellishment on our bottle. So we're going to wrap this with some jute twine, and then we're going to drip it with some of our gold hot glue. And now we're going to take our hot glue and we are going to drip it around the edge of this, but I don't want to get it into the bottle because the cork kind of just nestles in there. Okay, so now that our glue is all dry and has finished dripping, we're going to go ahead and create a charm with the two light bulbs we have. Okay, so to make the charm, all I did was I took one of the bulbs and I just tied a knot with the jute twine. And then we're going to do the other side with the other one. So all I'm doing is making a knot. And then doing it again. And once I get that tied, I just really, really tighten it up. And then I'm going to cut this flush. And then again, just kind of pull down on it. And then I'm going to take my lighter and get the fringes off of the knots as well. And then we have both of our charms on our string. Okay, so now I'm going to take my string with my two bulbs, and I'm going to tie it loosely on my bottle. Okay, so now we are going to take our label printed on our sticker paper, and we are just going to peel the backing off, and then we are going to place it on our bottle. Okay, so once we get our label on, we are then going to take our Cork Light and unwind it. And once we get it unwound, we are then just going to place it in the bottle. And once we get it in, we can turn it on. And there you have it, our bottled light. This would be a great cosplay potion to have on hand, or something to add to a steampunk collection, or just something to add to our potions and props that we've been making along the way. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.